If you would like to share your Duolingo family plan and add some members, here's how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your Duolingo application. Get logged into your specific Duolingo account and simply access your plan. As you can see that I have my family plan right here and it shows me add members if you would like to add more members onto my family plan of Duolingo. So you have to simply tap on add members as you see here. As you do so, as you can see, I can add up to 5 members. So go ahead, tap on add member at the below section. And once done, it will give you an ability to invite friends or family via WhatsApp, text message, or more option. I recommend simply tap on WhatsApp. The link will be copied itself and simply you have to paste it. As you do so, once they accept your request, they will be a member of your Duolingo family plan and they will be able to use it for free. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.